doing some numerology and some number patterns. And in my lifetime, unfortunately, we've had quite a number of quote-unquote once-in-a-lifetime events, right? And I decided to use number patterns to predict what year the next one will happen. So the last few once-in-a-lifetime events were Reagan being assassinated in '81. In 1993, we had the first bombing at the World Trade Center. There was a truck bomb in the garage of World Trade Center 1. In '95, we had Oklahoma City. In 2001, obviously, we had 9/11. At the financial crisis in 2008, and COVID-19 in 2020. So I decided to see what the gaps were between the years, right? 93 minus 81, 95 minus 93, and so on, right? The last one had a good gap of 12 years, which is considerably longer than the gaps of the last couple of ones, right? I don't remember. I was in kindergarten when the first time the World Trade Center was bombed. I don't quite remember hearing it at the time. I wasn't alive when Reagan was shot. But it seemed like after that, everything just really accelerated right into recently. We did have a good 12 years of peace in between that, thankfully, right? Although we did have a number of school shootings, not once in a lifetime kind of events, though. And then I took the differences between those gaps again, and the difference between those gaps, and then those ones, and then those ones. And then I copied the 24 down and did the reverse, right? Add these together to see what number we need to put here to give you the same 24 here. And the answer is 2072 is going to be our next once-in-a-lifetime event, right? Some of my viewers might live long enough to see that. I hope to, because there are certain things that I want to do between now and then. Anyway, so numerology tells us that in 2072 we'll have another once-in-a-lifetime. Good thing is we got 52 years this time around.